Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick. I'm no expert at this, of course. I got two cameras set up. I'm going to install a screen protector on my almost now 1-year-old Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay? Because the Note 9 just came out. Alright? I haven't had one on it, unfortunately. I should have, because I've got one scratch right there, which really stinks. I've never been too much of a screen protector guy. So I went online on eBay, of course, and I found the cheapest screen protector I could find, $3 for like 3 of them. And so what you get in the package is this. You get, come on webcam, I'm shooting this with a Logitech webcam. You get 2 screen protectors, you get installation tools, you get alcohol pad things, you get the package. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. We have rubbing alcohol, cleaning stuff, right? Windex. And this is actually real Windex poured in the Walmart cheap brand stuff. They've got a microfiber, big microfiber cleaner. You want to get all the dust and stuff out of these things. Oh, it says dust on it. Look. Dust. Turn my fan off now, it's getting hot in here. Okay. Whatever. Alright, so, boom. Bam. Biggie bam. 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 First thing we're gonna do is clean this sucker with some Windex and a paper towel. On the back, I got a nice label with my name on it and my phone number, because I forget my phone number because I actually got a new number after having the other number for over 10 years. I lost my first phone that I had, not my first phone, last summer of 2017. I went to King's Dominion and lost a 2-month-old iPhone 7 Plus on the Volcano roller coaster. Yeah, it really sucks. So, still paying on that, of course, through Verizon. And so I ended up getting this Samsung Note 8, which is the first Android phone I've had since the Moto X, which I had after the original iPhone I had, and then I had the iPhone 3G, and then I had the Droid X. And ever since then I've had all iPhones. I can't remember all the models. I had the 6 and something in between, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, pretty sure I did, but I can't remember what they all were. And then I had the 7. I still have the original film on the back though. I want to get one of those D-brand skins, I guess. This is a, like I say, a brother label maker, which I'm going to do a review and unboxing of the brother label maker I got the other day. Alright, so I Windexed it. Now, here's what you need to do, I think. Get your fingers and stuff as clean as possible. Get some rubbing alcohol all over them. Clean them fingers real good. Make sure you've washed your hands good. It's going to hurt a little bit, maybe. It's going to burn. Why? I don't know. Seems like a good idea. Don't it? Now, you're going to end up with paper towel dust. That's when you need one of these microfiber cloths here. Boy, is that clean though. These phones now, they're pretty amazing. Oh god, I just knocked over my hard drive. With the webcam camera, just knocked over the hard drive. Yeah, boy, is that thing. There's a nice piece of glass right there. Nice piece of glass.
Let's see.
These installation tools. What the heck is this? The Dooqi. The Dooqi installation tools. Oh, you got the little credit card thingamajigger, dust absorber, and the Dooqi microfiber cloth. Alright, where's the directions for this thing? Alright, step 1. Please use the alcohol white microfiber cloth and dust absorber to clean the screen. Well, I think I've already done that, but let's go ahead and follow the Dooqi directions and do it again. God, there's probably no alcohol on these things. So, we're using the Dooqi. Cleaning the screen. Cleaning the screen. Okay. Now, which do you use next? The dust absorber? I think the dust absorber is last. If I can get it to properly separate here. There we go. Next is the microfiber cloth. Get it nice and clean. Alright, dust absorber. Step 3. Press the center of the film lightly. It will automatically absorb to the screen. Feel the protective layer line the screen. Feel the protective layer line the screen protector to the screen slowly down. How in the world? Alright, dust absorber. Oh my god. I don't think there's any dust left on it. Don't think so. Looks pretty beautiful. Pretty and beautiful. Alright, so go. Screen protector. This is genuine Dooqi product. Made in China. Take this off first, or this. I don't know. Okay, there's a 1 on there. Alright, so 1. Fill that back. Because that is not looking too clean. There's crap all over this thing. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like lines on it. I hope that comes, there's another film that comes off. So you're supposed to start in the center? You progressive protect? I don't know. I really don't know. Gosh, I ain't never gonna get this lined up right. Grief. Dooqi. I'm not sure I'm loving Dooqies that much right now. Well, you know what? I have screwed up. This was supposed to come on first. Yeah, I suck at this, obviously. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to go on. Oh my god. Tore the wrong paper off first. I don't understand that. There's another film here? Yeah, I really screwed up. Well, go ahead and pull the other film off. I just don't understand why there's that line up there. Oh well, I guess that's why I got 2 of them and total failure. Starting to really piss me off. Fucking Dooqi and their fucking... Never happened. Shitty screen protectors. I mean, you've got to line these camera things up first. No way you can hope they'll line up with that, right? Yes, the moral of the story is, guys, make sure you know the difference between 1 and 2. These bubbles, are they going to come out? And then you have to peel it back to get them to come out. See, as you're pushing it down, if you get the bubbles, back it up immediately and re-push it. Maybe one where, you know, they work themselves out over time, but I wouldn't count on it for the price. Yeah, might as well go ahead and take that part off now. Now these edges on this thing, they really gonna stick down? Yeah, I wonder how long these edges really stay down. Hopefully I can get a few more of these bubbles out. There's not many really, and they're real small. Or maybe this is one where, you know, the bubbles kind of naturally work their way out as it like seals to the phone. Kind of screwed up top here. Looks like it stretched a little bit. Pulling on it probably. Yeah, there's a few bubbles, but let's see. Yeah, see right there. And a couple down there. Of course, I'll be able to get those out. It's kind of screwed up here too, right around sensors or something on that side. Right here. Fit around the earpiece and the cameras and whatnot, alright. So, I don't know if you call that a success or not, but it's done and it serves its purpose. And these few little bubbles, if they even stay in there, won't bother me. Now I know how to do it right, and I've got another one anyway, and as cheap as it was, who cares? So, task complete regardless, or not. Thank you for watching, of course. See you next time. Stay thrifty. Check out my Instagram, Ed Gebhard, where I post lots of funny stuff, including my McDiet, EDGEBZ, Ed Gebs. Links and everything in the description below. See you next time. The webcam camera is not very hard. It's not good.